Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is a satellite of mass 1000 kg suspended to orbit the Earth at a height of 2000 km above the Earth's surface. Find the first part its speed in the orbit, second part the kinetic energy, and the third part the potential energy of the Earth satellite system, and in the D part its time period. We have given that the mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. लेट्स सी हाउ कैन वी डू दिस क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम गिवन पार्ट को लिख लेते हैं। सो एज वी हैव गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, वी हैव गिवन दैट द मास दैट इज लेट्स से स्मॉल m विच इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 kg, जो कि हमारे पास सैटेलाइट का मास है। एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो गिवन दैट द हाइट at which it is revolving is we have given in the question, and height we can just say h, which is equals to 2000 kilometer. We have also given that the mass of Earth. So mass of Earth we have given, let's say capital M, which is equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Now in the first part what we need to find, we need to find the speed in the orbit. तो सबसे पहले ए पार्ट को चेक करते हैं, और ए पार्ट में हमको निकालना है स्पीड ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ सैटेलाइट in its orbit, and let's say that speed is v. तो हम यहाँ पे v को लिख सकते हैं, it is nothing, it is equals to under root times of gravitational constant multiplied by mass of Earth divided by the r, that means radius, plus h, that is the height, which can be also written as under root times of acceleration due to gravity multiplied by r square divided by r plus h. Now we can put the values here, and therefore we can say that the speed that is equals to under root times of g, as we know that is 9.8, multiplied by r, we have given that is equals to 6 point, as we know कि r हमारा अर्थ का कितना होता है, हमारे पास 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 मीटर, its square now divided by r, which is our again 6 into 10 to the power 6, and h we have 6 into 10 to the 2000 किलोमीटर, which is nothing, it is 2 into 10 to the power 6. तो 10 to the power 6 यहाँ से हमने कॉमन ले लिया, और 6.4 plus 2 हमने यहाँ पे अंदर लिख लिया। यहाँ से हम अगर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, we can say that v is nothing, v is equals to under root of times 9.8 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 multiplied by 6.4 into 10 to the power 6, and that is divided by we have 10 to the power 6 multiplied by 8.4. इसको जब सॉल्व करेंगे वी कैन सी दैट v हमारे पास यहाँ से कितना आ रहा है, v हमारे पास आ रहा है 6.9 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, or we can write that v is nothing, v is equals to 6.9 kilometer per second. So the answer for this question is the speed of the satellite in the orbit is equals to 6.9 kilometer per second. Now coming to the second part of this question, in the second part of this question it is asking us about the kinetic energy. Now let's find the kinetic energy. So in the B part, the kinetic energy of the satellite, we can say that kinetic energy of satellite is nothing, it is just equals to half mv square. So kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So we can just simply put the value. So kinetic energy is equals to half, then mass, as we know that is given that 1000 multiplied by v, we have found 6.9 into 10 to the power 3 square. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाएगी दैट इज इक्वल्स टू वी हैव हाफ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6.9 का स्क्वायर हमारे पास 47.6 हो जाएगा, एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर 6. यहाँ से इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे वी कैन से दैट फाइनली जो हमारे पास काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ रही है यहाँ से हमारे पास आ रही है 2.38 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 joule. So this is the kinetic energy of that orbit, of that satellite. Now coming to the C part, in the C part we need to find the potential energy of the Earth satellite system. So therefore in the C part we need to find the potential energy of satellite. Now potential energy of satellite represented by let's say U. So we can say that U हमारे पास कितना होता है, U is nothing, it is equals to minus of capital G capital M multiplied by small m divided by R plus H. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम वैल्यूज पुट करें so we can say that minus of G हमारे पास 6.67 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हमारे पास मास ऑफ द अर्थ 6 into 10 to the power 24 दिया है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मास ऑफ द सैटेलाइट वी हैव गिवन दैट 10 to the power 3 and this is whole divided by R we have 606400 then plus H we have 2000 and they are in किलोमीटर, so basically 10 to the power 3 हमारा यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करते हैं एंड वी कैन से दैट यहाँ से हमारे पास जो u आ रहा है, u इज नथिंग, इट इज बेसिकली कमिंग आउट टू बी माइनस ऑफ 40 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर 3 एंड दिस इज डिवाइडेड बाय 8400. इसको जब सॉल्व करेंगे वी आर गेटिंग दैट हमारे पास जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आ रही है अर्थ सैटेलाइट सिस्टम की दैट इज माइनस ऑफ 4.76 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर 10 जूल. So this is the answer for the third part. Now we can also find for the last part. So in the last part, let's see what it's asking. So in the last part, it's time period. So we need to find the time period. So in the D part, we need to find the time period of the satellite. So time period of satellite, let's say that is capital T. So time period को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, we can write it like it is 2 pi r plus h divided by we have velocity of the satellite. So therefore we can write it is equals to 2 into pi we have 3.10 multiplied by we have basically r plus h is equals to 8400 we have found in the last part multiplied by 10 to the power 3 and this is whole divided by v हमने निकाला था 6.9 into 10 to the power 3. यहाँ से सारी वैल्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड वी कैन से दैट हमारे पास जो इसको सॉल्व करके यहाँ पे आ रहा है दैट इज 6.28 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8.4 into 10 to the power 3 and this is divided by we have 6.9. तो यहाँ पे से वी कैन से दैट फाइनली टाइम पीरियड जो हमारे पास है दैट इज 7.645 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 to the power 3 seconds और अगर इसको आवर में कंप्लीट करें तो वी कैन से दैट इट इज 2.12 hours. So this is the answer for the last part. So these are the answers for this question. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.